Hey, fabulous viewers! Welcome back to Mula Weight Loss. I'm Riley, and today we're shaking things up with a recipe that's not only tasty but also a powerhouse of protein, the Protein Powerhouse Smoothie. Before we dive into this protein-packed delight, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on all our flavorful recipes. Let's get blending. Here are the ingredients for our Protein Powerhouse Smoothie. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, ice cubes, optional. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making this smoothie perfect for fueling your day. Now add half a banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. Next, let's introduce a spoonful of almond butter for that rich, nutty flavor and an extra dose of protein. And to keep things light, pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. If you want an extra chill, feel free to toss in some ice cubes. Time to blend this protein-packed goodness. Look at that creamy texture. This smoothie is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a fantastic way to ensure you're getting the protein your body craves. And voila, our Protein Powerhouse Smoothie is ready to fuel your day. Pour it into your favorite glass, and you've got a delicious, protein-rich beverage. If you're loving this recipe, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more energizing and tasty recipes. Until next time, stay fabulous and stay subscribed. Cheers!